I figured I'd do you a video tester, so let's see how this works. I will try to email it to you. Hopefully it will email. And here you go. Yeah, and I've got Paul the fence guy coming out today to discuss the porch. Yeah, not sure how well we're going to do. Especially when it's raining so hard. I mean, like, I'm going to start sinking eventually, right? Okay. So here we go. If nothing else, you can at least look at the video when you get home. You know, to get an idea of the current drainage. I'm walking slowly because I don't want to suddenly hit an area where I sink. Okay, I might have to, I'm starting to sink a little bit. So I'm trying to find areas that are a little heavier in gravel. Here we go. It kind of looks like right now it's still streaming down. Well, I know you're not done, so, but it is streaming down the driveway. This is the point of view looking up the driveway. Okay, all done.